Hi, my name is John Kowalski. I'm part of the marketing team here at BitGarner. I'd like to welcome you to Stories. In our Stories segment, I'd like to bring some faces of the team in front of you in kind of a more informal setting. Today I have Mr. Noah Morgan. He's our application specialist. You may have seen him from the office hours webinars, other activities. You may have talked to him on the phone as he, could have solved a problem or a challenge you're having. So welcome, Noah.
Yes, it's good to be here. I'd love to, spend some time and to discuss of, what we do here and different challenges we face and etc.
Sounds good. Sounds good. So today, since this is our first stories from BitGarner, I'd like to just kind of set the stage a little bit before we go into specific applications or products or different, things, techniques. So BitGarner, a world leader in color appearance and physical test equipment. I can give all that marketing language because that's what I live and breathe. But in your terms, can you kind of break down those three buckets, just short and succinctly, about what we do and what it means from your side of the fence?
Yeah, absolutely. So, like any product in the world, when manufacturers are making things, it's very important in most cases that if the consumer is going to see an end product in the store, that you need to have measures in place in order to accurately have quality control, measure these colors and appearances as the end consumer will see it. And usually what you'll find is that, whether you're in the automotive industry, the paper industry, the coil coating industry, you're all trying to reach goals as far as matching colors or matching the end appearance with orange peel, with distinctness of image, with clarity. You're trying to reach this end goal. And so we do as BitGardeners, we provide these components, this equipment for measuring and analyzing and then putting values to what we're seeing visually. That can come from, all sorts of different instruments, from spectrophotometers that measure color to profilometers that measure surface profile and texture as we see it, all the way up to instruments that measure the waviness of a surface or the reflected image. So we specialized in making this very technologically advanced equipment that can accurately depict what we're seeing and put values to those images.
No, that's great. And it's measuring things objectively. You may have seen our Objective Eye graphic that's on the webpage and all around. But it's also providing that data. So process engineers, product managers, research and design folks, operations or production personnel can really make decisions based and rooted in data. Fair assessment?
Absolutely, yeah. So, our equipment is used anywhere from, the process of making the products, manufacturers are using, all the way up to R&D, where they're making special paint formulas or, adding things into, certain formulations in order to make things act a specific way, add usability to coatings, all sorts of different tests.
Yeah, really from lab to production, and even in certain cases out in the field, especially with our physical test equipment.
Absolutely, yeah.
Great. So, well, that's a great overview. I'd like to thank you, and we'll be seeing you more on BitGarner Stories. So, thanks all.